Alright, ladies and gentlemen, weekend number 2 of remodeling. Going through the front door, hopefully. It's not locked, and it is. So we're going through the garage. Alright, so, major project of this weekend. That is where a 27-year-old hot water heater was. This is where a 1-day-old hot water heater is. This has to go there. We already had a pipe break. Gas is turned on. Don't know if the flue's gonna fit. Had to replace 2 pipes. Put a new valve. Paint the wall. Not paint that wall. Array of cleanliness. We go into the guest bedroom, which we worked on mostly last weekend. Half the floors. All painted. Good job, Mom. And into the next project room. Mother is in closet number 2. And this is the massage room. Alright. See you next weekend.